On the Leaks page, click on the Customer Self-Service Portal link. From here, sign into the portal with your login credentials. Once you are logged on, click on the Request tab, which is found at the top of the page. Click on the New Request button located on the upper right-hand side. Under Subject, click on Adjustments and then select General Adjustment. Next, click Request Input to go to the next page. Answer if you are a homeowner and click Next to continue. Under What type of adjustment are you requesting, select Leak Adjustment from the drop-down menu. Enter the leak repair date and then click Next. From the drop-down menu, select whether your leak was indoor or outdoor. From here, type in a brief description of what kind of leak you had, then click Next to upload a repair receipt. To upload a receipt, click on the Select File button, browse to the location of your receipt, and click Open to upload it. Click Next. If there is any additional information you would like to include, you can add it to this text box. Then, click on the Overview button. Read over the Overview page to make sure you have entered everything correctly and have attached your receipt or explanation. This will ensure that your request can be properly processed. When you are ready to submit your request, click the Create Request button on the upper right corner. You can monitor the status of your request at the Request page. It can take 30 to 45 days for your leak adjustments to be reviewed and processed.